Quick game, if the IONIQ 9 is a place in Singapore.
I would think that it is the Sentosa Tanjong Beach. Quiet, breezy, spacious. It's like the car, when you close the door, it's so quiet, it's so relaxed, with an elegance.
If IONIQ 9 is a location in Singapore, it will be Jewel Changi Airport. With its parametric front and rear LED lights, it gives off an amazing vibe at night.
I would think that it will be One North. It has the latest IT development. The One Touch panel is an easy access for a driver to access the sunroof, the ambient light, and the safety aids for the driver.
If IONIQ 9 were a place in Singapore, it reminds me of Singapore Expo. Huge boot space if you convert down the third row and second row seat. It's big, adaptable, and made for families and people.
The IONIQ 9 is a place in Singapore. It will be the East Coast Park. The interior feel open and relaxed. The seat will be the Napa leather. At the same time, it also have the leg rest over here by the button.